Today we talk about how can you enable show Saturday on your timetable app. We go to figure out the solution on how you can do that on your app. So all you have to do, so you just go above this sign, click on it here. So then it's going to show for you list like this here. Then all you have to do, you just click here on settings, click on it here. So then it's going to take you to this list here. Then all you have to do, just click here on timetable and calendar, just click on it. Then you come to this list. Then all you have to do, just come here to show Saturday here, click here in this sign. Then like you see this color show for us, that's may show Saturday enable with us now here. So that's all you have to do. That's all. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to support us by liking and subscribe.